What's up guys, this is Matthew. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding adding and subtracting square roots or adding and subtracting radicals. The first one is 2 root 6 minus 6 root 6 plus 3 root 3. So we collect the like terms. These two are like terms, so we combine their coefficients, so it's going to be 2 minus 6 root 6 plus 3 root 3, which will be negative 4 root 6 plus 3 root 3. Next example is 5 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 2 root 6. The answer is collecting the like terms. These two are like terms, so we have 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 minus 4, 1. It's going to be root 5 plus 2 root 6. Next example is 3 root 7 minus 8 root 7 plus 2 root 5. The answer is to collect the like terms. These two are like terms. We have 3 minus 8 root 7 plus 2 root 5. 3 minus 8 is negative 5 root 7 plus 2 root 5. Next example we have 2 root 5n minus 6 root 5n plus 4 root 5n. Answer: all of them are the same, like terms, so we collect the coefficient. 2 minus 6 plus 4 root 5n, so that makes it 2 minus 6 negative 4 plus 4 is going to be 0. 0 times root 5n will be 0. The next example, square root of 7x minus 7 root 7x plus 4 root 7x are like terms. The answer is we combine the coefficients. Positive 1, negative 7, positive 4. 1 minus 7 plus 4 root 7x. 1 minus 7 is negative 6 plus 4 is going to be negative 2 root 7x. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.